part of the drive to create value for the Nigerian fixed income and debt capital market, Stanbic IBTC today listed 3 funds, namely the money market, bond, and dollar fund at the FMDQ OTC Exchange. In her opening remarks, the CEO Stanbic IBTC Asset Management, Mrs. Bumi Dayo Olagunju, shared the value of the funds to the market.
The Stanbic IBTC Money Market Fund, which is a SEC-approved fund, as you know, actually took off in 2010. So it's been in the market for the past 8 years. As of last year, the average yield on this fund was 17.96%. This was as at December 2017. The primary objective of the fund is to earn income that is consistent with capital preservation and that is suitable for investors with a low-risk appetite. It also aims to maximize their current level of income while preserving, of course, their capital, as you know, with fixed income securities. The fund seeks to achieve these objectives of delivering competitive returns by investing 100% in low-risk short-term securities. For the bond fund, the SIML bond fund, that was also SEC-approved and set up in 2010. So likewise, it's been in the market for some time, and investors have been getting the benefit of it. It's had a return of 17.86% as at December 2017, and the primary objective of the fund is to achieve competitive returns on its assets. It has a medium risk profile, and the fund seeks to achieve this objective by investing in high yield bonds, some of the bonds that Stanbic has also brought to this market, and other fixed income securities, as well as quality money market instruments. And lastly, the dollar fund, which was launched last year. We actually started the journey long before that, and it got SEC approval and came into the market January 2017. Year to date, it's actually done a 7% return, which is quite impressive when you look at the fact that a lot of dollar assets in banks are mostly non-earning for the owners. So this fund provides a very good avenue for them to maximize their investing objective. Now, the fund seeks to invest in US dollar denominated securities, such as the corporate and sovereign Euro bonds, or even commercial papers, or mutual funds, or equity instruments, all dollarized. And because of that, the fund invests a minimum of its assets in fixed income securities, as well as cash and cash equivalents. It's our belief that this development is a step in the right direction, both for us as a company and also the FMDQ that we're partnering with. We share the same outlook with the exchange in that one of the ways to deepen the fixed income and foreign currency market in Nigeria is by providing varying products, offering competitive returns to investors, encouraging market credibility and liquidity. And we hold out these products as avenues that clients can use to achieve their objectives. These products have withstood the test of time and will continue to remain relevant in this market.
Highlights of the event was the formal signing of the FMDQ OTC listing register by the management of Stanbic IBTC and the FMDQ Exchange, respectively. Mrs. Bumi Dayo Olagunju, CEO Stanbic IBTC Asset Management, Tumi Sekoni, Vice President and Head Capital Markets FMDQ, and Kobe Bensi Enchil, Executive Director Stanbic IBTC for West Africa, all speak further on the significance of the listings to the market.
This is an event to commemorate the listing of 3 of our fixed income funds, the money market fund, the bond fund, and the dollar fund. These funds are created to support investors' objectives of capital appreciation, income, and diversification of their portfolio in various ways. And we see these providing instruments or channels avenues that investors can use to meet even liquidity requirements as they have it, especially, for example, the money market fund, which is invested in high quality fixed income securities, treasury bills, commercial papers, and the like. We believe these are instruments that investors having in their portfolio will give them not only good and attractive returns, but a way to diversify their risk base and also improve liquidity on their portfolios.
The significance, and I think like any other listing, is being able to promote the credibility of the funds that are listed on the platform. So there's continuous disclosure of information, and that is what investors, current investors and potential investors will need to be able to make informed investment decisions. So that is one of the major significances. And again, it's also promoting the different securities that the investing public can partake of. So we're listing 3 different funds: the money market fund, the bond fund, and the dollar fund. So and the most recent of those funds that was launched is the dollar fund. Now, what does that mean? Those who have dollar balances out there, maybe dollars in their domiciliary accounts, instead of sitting in there not earning anything, they can invest it in a product like this. So that's one of the significances as well. And it helps in general to develop the fixed income market in Nigeria and also improve the depth of that market.
It drives the fixed income market because it provides new sort of products that are now listed on the platform. These previously were not listed, so it meant that an investor, if you wanted to exit it, would have to approach your fund manager directly so that they buy you out. Now, this provides another option where investors can trade out positions directly. So definitely it's a very significant development, for the markets.
With the listing of the money market, bond and dollar fund, it is expected that Nigerians will have opportunities to diversify their portfolios in the market.